Hi Steffi dancers, it's Miss Tami and I am back to teach you a fun new dance where we are going a splishing and a splashing. So grab your surfboard, get ready to jump in your imaginary bathtub, and we are going to practice balancing on one foot. Go anywhere you need to in your space where you can get a good running start to jump on that surfboard. So you're gonna run and get on that board, and we're practicing balancing. You could pick up your front foot or your back foot. Those waves are coming, you don't wanna fall into the water, and then turn yourself around and go down to your surfboard to learn some new tricks. We are going to flex and a point and a flex. Here we go. Swing your legs to the right side, gluing them together, and to the left side. And now a big full circle to your tummy and back to the side. Now you don't want to be lounging at the beach. You want to scoop that belly button in and sit up super, super tall. And we're going to tap our leg to the front and the back and the front and the back. Passe, point that foot. Développé, passe, and stretch. Now, Surfing 101, swing your legs, gluing them together onto your stomach, and see if you can push back and jump to 2 feet together. All right? Here we go. Ready to balance on those waves. Pick up your right foot. Coupe, knee side, heel forward, and a tilt. Coupe and low. Other side. Tilt, up and a lower. Dégagé. Tilt, find your center, close first, other side. Tilt and a lift, close first. Take a big circle around yourself. We're going to take 4 jumps, 4, to make 1 circle. To the side and a back and a side and a front. So you can do that on 1 foot and saute. You can do that on 2 feet. Anywhere you need to. Big step, reach high, 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 scoot back, and get ready to start on the opposite side. Swing to the left, swing to the right. Full circle and end where you started. Tap and a tap and a tap and a tap. Passe, up and a down. Stretch, here we go to your belly. Scoot it back and jump. Same thing, now we start left, except we're taking it up to passe level. And a tilt and a lift, find your first. Right and a tilt and a up. First, dégagé or higher if you're ready to. Tilt, point that foot. Legs together, other side. Tilt and a lift, now we saute. Reach up and up and up. Big stretch, down. Now, from here, you want to roll all the way down to your back. I will face the side so you can see. Knees bent, arms out. And we're going to splash that water with our toes. Passe, développé. Flex, lower straight. Now reverse and a point. Passe and a lower. Other side. Lift and a flex, lower down. Up and a point and in. Lower, hug those knees. Shoot it forward to your bridge shape and stand all the way up. No hands. And we finish our splishing and our splashing on our surfboards. Okay, now you do what feels fun to you. Can you balance on 1 foot? Can you jump and ride the waves? Can you do a full turn and ride the waves? Okay, here we go, dancers. We are going to try this from the top with our music. So go find your starting spot in your space and get ready to run and jump on your surfboard. And we are going to start splishing and a splashing. Here comes the music.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night.
Get on
Rubbed up,
the surfboard.
just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. When I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor, I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and
Jump on that surfboard. Find your surf. Eagle side. Steady down. Yep. Get that belly. Scoop your belly button in. So tight.
Big bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Yeah, flip flop, they were doing the walk. All the teens had to dance with fun. There was a lollipop with a baby suit. The golly miss Molly was a even there too. Splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was a running down the stroller, feeling with the feel.
And down and stay there.
Splishing and a
A
splash.
little higher if you want. Jump it.